What's going to be a priority action step today? Are you clearing it? If you're not clearing it, you need to take even just 30 seconds, 1 minute to look at your to-do list and identify what needs to be the priority action step. Look, the reality is, your to-do list, my to-do list, everyone's to-do list never stops getting answered. More things are added to it every single day, every single minute. But the key is to decide what is the biggest priority. So which one will be the biggest needle mover? Which one will make the biggest impact on whatever area of your life? Might be to do with your health, like going to the gym or doing a workout at home. Could be making a better food choice and making some food, having a smoothie first time, going doing a proper shop, not picking up loads of crap every few days. It could be to your relationships, having a date night, messaging someone. It could be to your professional life, taking an action to move your life forward, move your career forward. You do your finances, learning how to budget, and then just writing down your income and expenditures. You're clear on what you are. What's your priority action step today? Do something, move a step forward. If you do one action step every day for 365 days, your life's going to change dramatically.